Alright, let's play a quick game. Imagine you're standing at the checkout, ready to grab that essential item, or maybe it's that unexpected car repair, or perhaps you're finally taking the plunge on that home improvement project you've been dreaming about. You're thinking, okay, I've got this. I'll just use Credit Genie. But then, a tiny, nagging voice pops into your head. Wait a minute, is Credit Genie even available here? That's the question we're tackling today. Is Credit Genie available in all states? It's a question that can mean the difference between financial peace of mind and, well, a bit of a panic. And honestly, it's a question that deserves a clear, straightforward answer. Before we dive into the specifics, let's step back for a moment. What exactly is Credit Genie, and why does its availability matter so much? For many, Credit Genie represents a lifeline, a way to access credit solutions that might otherwise be out of reach. It's a tool designed to simplify the often complex world of credit, offering a range of services from credit score monitoring to personalized loan recommendations. We all know that credit is a crucial part of modern life. It influences everything from our ability to rent an apartment to securing a car loan, and even impacts our insurance premiums. A good credit score can open doors, while a poor one can slam them shut. That's why services like Credit Genie, which aim to empower individuals with better credit management, are so valuable. Now, let's get back to the burning question. Is Credit Genie universally available? The short answer, unfortunately, is no. And here's where things get a little nuanced. The reality is that financial services, including credit-related ones, are governed by a complex web of state and federal regulations. These regulations are designed to protect consumers, ensure fair practices, and maintain the integrity of the financial system. However, they also mean that a service like Credit Genie might not be able to offer the same products and services in every state. Why is this the case? Well, each state has its own set of rules regarding lending, credit reporting, and other financial activities. These rules can vary significantly, leading to differences in the types of products and services that can be offered. For example, some states have stricter regulations on interest rates or loan terms, which might make it difficult for Credit Genie to provide certain loan options. Additionally, the availability of Credit Genie services can also depend on partnerships with local lenders and financial institutions. These partnerships are crucial for providing personalized loan recommendations and other services. If Credit Genie doesn't have established partnerships in a particular state, it might not be able to offer its full range of services. So, how do you find out if Credit Genie is available in your state? The best way is to visit the official Credit Genie website or contact their customer support. They will be able to provide the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding availability in your specific location. But let's go beyond just the yes or no answer. What are some of the common reasons why a service like Credit Genie might not be available in a particular state? Firstly, licensing requirements. Financial services often require specific licenses to operate within a state. These licenses ensure that companies comply with local regulations and meet certain standards. Obtaining these licenses can be a lengthy and complex process, and Credit Genie might not have completed this process in every state. Secondly, regulatory differences. As mentioned earlier, each state has its own set of rules regarding lending and credit. These rules can create significant hurdles for companies trying to offer their services nationwide. For example, some states have usury laws that limit the maximum interest rates that can be charged on loans. If Credit Genie's loan products don't comply with these laws, they won't be available in those states. Thirdly, data privacy laws. With the increasing focus on data privacy, states are enacting stricter regulations regarding the collection and use of personal information. If Credit Genie's data practices don't align with the state's privacy laws, they might not be able to operate in that state. Fourthly, partnership limitations. Credit Genie relies on partnerships with local lenders and financial institutions to provide its services. If they haven't established these partnerships in a particular state, their services might be limited or unavailable. Fifthly, market viability. Sometimes, a company might choose not to operate in a particular state because the market is too small or the competition is too intense. Credit Genie might prioritize states with larger populations or more favorable market conditions. Now, let's talk about what you can do if Credit Genie isn't available in your state. Don't worry, you're not out of options. Firstly, explore alternative credit monitoring and loan services. There are many other companies that offer similar services to Credit Genie. Research and compare different options to find one that meets your needs and is available in your state. Secondly, consider working directly with local banks and credit unions. These institutions often offer a range of credit products and services, and they might be more flexible than national companies. Thirdly, improve your credit score on your own. There are many steps you can take to improve your credit score, such as paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, and checking your credit report for errors. Even without Credit Genie, you can still take control of your financial health. Fourthly, seek advice from a certified credit counselor. These professionals can provide personalized guidance and help you develop a plan to improve your credit. Fifthly, stay informed about changes in regulations. Financial regulations are constantly evolving, and Credit Genie might expand its services to your state in the future. Keep an eye on their website and subscribe to their newsletter for updates. It's also important to remember that credit management is a continuous process. Whether or not Credit Genie is available in your state, you should always be proactive about monitoring your credit and taking steps to improve it. Now, let's address a common concern: the security of your data. When using any financial service, it's crucial to ensure that your personal and financial information is protected. Credit Genie, like other reputable companies, should have robust security measures in place to safeguard your data. Look for features like encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits. Also, be wary of scams and fraudulent websites. Always verify the legitimacy of a financial service before providing any personal information. Check for secure website indicators, such as a padlock icon in the address bar, and research the company's reputation online. In conclusion, while Credit Genie offers valuable credit management tools, its availability is not universal. State-specific regulations, licensing requirements, partnership limitations, and market viability all play a role in determining where Credit Genie can operate. Remember to always verify the availability of services in your specific location and explore alternative options if needed. And most importantly, take control of your financial health by staying informed and proactive about credit management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.